Right, let's try that again. Hi, everyone's Bongo here from the Poultry People, and today we're going to be using up more scraps of steel. I want to make a fire pit. So what have I got? Some really shite angle iron. I'm going to be smashing flat in a minute. The plates that are left over from the chimney, a length of pipe. And what I want to make is a fire pit. There's been a fire pit doing the rounds. So I want to get the angle iron and mash it into a hoop. Like that. 2 hoops. Like that. And the shields like that. Oh god, yeah, I really have to excuse these. Okay, and then a big hoop all the way up and across like that. Some sort of Viking cutout on the top. A hoop on the inside with a chain coming down to a cauldron. It's fucked up. Loads of people. So that's the plan. I'm going to put some runes on the inside. That sort of stuff all the way around. That's the day's plan. At the same time, we've got the just got this bugger lit, so we'll try and melt some algae at the same time. Lots to do, and it started to rain. Right, first thing, cleaning up some steel. Why me?
Because you let it. Ping-pong! Ping-pong!
That's you.
Want your mask?
Yeah, I've got my mask. That's what happens when you weld that mask, I suppose.
What happened?
You can't get the weld in the right place. Same on that one.
Would you like me to pass you your mask?
Pretty finished now.
Cool.
What? Fuck off. I do what I want. Yeah, I'll have the welding mask, please.
Yeah.
Run one at this side.
There you go.
Is that it for welding?
What do you have to do for your grill?
Drill?
Grill. Sorry.
Hello? There we have it, it's all finished. It's taken a few days, on and off. Yeah, great bit of fun, but I've pretty much made it all out of, not free, but reclaimed materials. Let's start the ground floor off, shall we? The bands we made out of discarded. What are they called? Little shieldlets that go all the way around outside, and each one has a runite that spells out a message of friendship and feasting. They're all gas bottles. Moving up onto the round pipe, that's old cold water pipe from a renovation that Vinny and AJC in construction are doing. They gave me all that water pipe, which is quite nice. Used it to make the hoop. these square pieces, I don't know, drinks holders, hot drink holders, pan holders even. Those there from the woman in Prestatyn who gave me a load of stuff to take to the scrapyard. Now we've got the grill. We made that out of old towel racking from a deserted army barrack that nobody's using or giving a fuck about. More water pipe. The grill itself is made out of milk carton holders that you get at supermarkets. Getting into the bar, supermarket handle for the bar here. The bar itself came off the car ramp. A bit of chain there. That was just left lying around the hoops. Left over from when I used to do the handles of the wood burners out of hoops. And of course a broken G-clamp to hold them all up. More water pipe. Car ramp. Car ramp. Car ramp. Car ramp. I had to buy the car ramp, but there's loads of car ramp and I've made some money back off it. Get taken it to the scrapyard. So a fairly easy welding project. You could at least make the ring. That was easy enough. Did all that with hammers and stuff like that and gas bottles. The hoop's a bit harder. You can cut that shape out. I used a plasma cutter, but you could, of course, use a what was it called? You could, of course, use a grinder for that job. I think it's turned out quite well. I'll maybe be able to sell it. I don't know. I don't know. If somebody wants to buy it, get in touch. Give me a shout. A high old bugger, innit? There we go.